Alright, we're back on the road. We're heading to the port for El Nido. Let's get going. Alright, there we go guys, we made it to El Nido. So it was actually about 5 hours on the ferry coming across from Coron. But sun's out, it looks beautiful, water's blue, so welcome to El Nido. Alright, so we're going to get checked into this little guest house. It's called Austria's Guest House, and I saw it on booking.com. It's only a 2-minute walk from the port, so you can literally walk with your suitcase directly to the guest house. It's about 2,000 pesos, but generally I've been finding whenever I turn up to the reception and just book it directly, it's a little bit cheaper. So usually just look on booking.com, see if they've got availability, and then turn up and book it direct, and you'll save a bit of money. So it's pretty basic, but it's pretty cheap. You know, it's right in the center of El Nido, and you know, if you're solo traveling and you're on a bit of a budget, I mean, this is kind of what you're going to get. There's a little hostel, but it's also a cafe called Happiness, and it does really good food, good vibe, good atmosphere.
Hey boss. Good, how are you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
The menu's kind of like Middle Eastern, so you have a lot of like hummus, falafel, shakshuka, and it's pretty much vegetarian, pescatarian, vegetarian. It's good vibe, good music. $25 for all that food, which is pretty good. I had like 2 meals, a smoothie. Cool, so we're just getting an island tour booked in El Nido. If you are coming to El Nido to book, this is the man. Lance.
Z-Tour, fantasy tour.
I don't think you can miss it. It's like right on the main street. And it's like,
Serena Street,
it's
nearby the port.
yeah.
My friend from Batangas.
From Batangas?
Yes,
Oh, nice.
from Batangas.
Oh, yeah, I want to go there. It's near the volcano.
Tal Volcano.
Tal Volcano, yeah?
It's okay naman.
Yeah, I want to go there. So yeah, you can get your island tours booked here. Lance can sort you out. I was talking to Lance there, and he's basically told me there's 4 French people on the tour, and then myself as well. Public tour, and there'll be 5 people, so maybe there's more people as well. Alright guys, so we just came down to Sava Bar in El Nido. It's one of the main bars here in El Nido town, and you'll notice it because it's got like a big shipwreck out the front. Having a margarita. It's happy hour, so you basically get buy one get one free. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, thanks for watching the channel, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, like button, comment and share. I'll see you guys in the morning for another day in El Nido. Thanks again and good night. I've just come into this little cafe in town. It's called Brunch Cafe. So this is the English breakfast. So you got like sausage, bacon, baked beans, egg, tomato and little muffins. So we're going to the island hopping tour B. Alright, this is our first stop of the day. This is Papaya Beach. This is our tour guide RJ. He's going to be showing us the islands. Beautiful little white sand beach with those palm trees, crystal clear blue water. Another beautiful day here, island hopping in the Philippines. Incredible. Back into El Nido, and the guest house is only about a 2-minute walk from the port, so super handy just to walk straight back. Gonna quickly get a shower, just wash off all the salt water. So this is the little guest house. It's called Austria, and very basic but really central. And if you're on a budget traveling, which I am as part of this trip, I'm trying to budget a little bit more and not stay in such nice hotels. It's perfect. Oh. Look at that. Pure luxury. Just made myself a cup of coffee, and yeah, it's just started to rain in El Nido, so this is pretty much what it's like in wet season. You know, usually it'll be okay during the day, like not too much rain, and then in the evening you get that. But today out in the water it was completely dry, just a little bit cloudy, so not too bad. I mean, if you come here in low season, this is the type of weather you can expect. You know, rainy in the evening, kind of cloudy during the day. You might get lucky and get a, you know, really nice sunny day, but they're few and far between. The battery in my microphone died, so I basically bought these batteries in Nepal, in Pokhara. When I was there, I bought 2 of them. One of them was a dud. It was flat when I bought it. The other one was green, but then over the last few days it's just completely drained, and it was still lighting up on the microphone today, but I didn't realize after the first beach that it wasn't recording the audio. It was turning on, but it wasn't recording any of the audio. So yeah, pretty much today's video has been a write-off. I got some beautiful drone footage. We'll just pick up where we left off and we'll keep going. We've got 3 more weeks left in the Philippines. Alright, I was planning to go out for dinner, but it's still raining. It's just, you can hear the rain, it's pouring. Might just walk out somewhere quickly, got a rain jacket, and yeah, grab a bite to eat. But thank you for watching, thank you for supporting the channel. Don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you are watching this video and you are new to the channel, I appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's us getting checked out of the hotel, Austria. I'm actually heading down to Mara Megmeg to meet a friend, and then I'll basically take the tourist van down to Puerto Princesa. We're leaving El Nido today. We'll be flying into Cebu tonight, and we'll spend 1 night in Cebu, and then we'll make some plans for the rest of the trip. Hey, this is Gina's cafe, and she's basically just opening, so by the time I post this video it'll be open. She's opening next week, and it's right in Vanilla Beach, right near Mara Megmeg, and the palm trees, the beach, the water. And this is the cafe. It's called Heya Hey, which means relax, chill.
What?
Why they should come here?
Why not?
Tell me why they should come here.
I don't want, don't do it. It's so impromptu. You should come to our cafe because we have the best smoothie bowls.
There you go, perfect.
And we have the best people on their team.
Alright, so we've made it to Puerto Princesa Airport, and we are flying with Cebu Pacific today to Cebu from Palawan. And it's about 1 hour from Porto to Cebu. Alright, that's us through check-in and security. Super quick. There's barely anybody at the airport, and we have a few hours before the flight. It's not until 6 p.m, so we can just we can chill out in the Puerto Princesa airport. I don't know if there's much to do here, but I'm gonna find a little cafe and relax. Actually, there's the maybe I'll do a massage. Okay, we can do a quick little massage, head, back and arms. It's about a 1 hour flight from Puerto Princesa over to Mactan, and that's getting us into Cebu at about 7 p.m. And looking forward to flying with Cebu Pacific again. So next stop is Cebu. Alright guys, we have landed in Cebu. So evening flight, we landed at 7 p.m. So this video is sponsored by Cebu Pacific, and they have been absolutely amazing with the flights. Like, I mean, every flight's been on time. It's been such a smooth check-in process. It's either a self-check-in or a check-in at the desk, which has been super smooth, super quick. The staff are super friendly, smiley, happy. Food's good on board, and it's just an all-round great experience. Thank you, Cebu Pacific, for sponsoring this video. Well, you can book a Grab, and it's 450 pesos for a Grab from here to basically Cebu town center. So not too bad, and it's super smooth process coming through Cebu airport. Super quick, super easy.
Cebu City.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. And then straight in to the car. There we go. Wow, check check out that ceiling fan. And it's basically like almost like little service apartments. Smooth check-in, just got my key there. And we are in room 403, so I think we're over. Oh, there goes my key card. There we go. There goes my glasses. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Room 403. Get the key card in. Here we go. Here's the room. Close that. Get some lights on. Alright, here we go. Primary Suites in Cebu. It was 50 Australian dollars for the night. And oh, some lights. Oh, it's actually not bad. It looks cozy. Decent sized bed. We got decent bathroom. Oh yeah, decent shower. This looks nice. It's actually pretty comfortable, pretty nice compared to what I was staying in El Nido. So this is great. I've checked in for one night, so which basically means I might have to extend, but we'll see how we go because I want to organize a tour for Cebu. I've got 3 days here and I want to do a full tour of Kawasan Falls, Whale Sharks. So yeah, this will do for now. Let's check out the view at the window. Not really. Is that a balcony? Nope, no balcony. Anyway. This is us for one night. We'll get settled in and yeah, we'll see how we go. We might organize another night and then do a tour the day after. But yeah, we'll organize that all tomorrow. Guys, thanks again for watching and I will see you.